This video I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Instagram. So let's begin. So first of all, this method works with both Android and iOS, and you can switch between light and dark mode whenever you want. So first of all, what you need to do is click on Instagram and go to this profile section, okay, over here in the bottom right corner, and then go to this top right corner, 3 lines. Now click on settings, and scroll down and go to this themes section. Okay, now you can see here light and dark mode, both modes are given. So if I click on dark, it will be dark. Okay, if I go to light, it will be light. So you can just switch it up whenever you want, and this works with both Android and iOS. So this is how you change your Instagram's dark mode, and I hope this video helped you out. If this video helped you out, then please give this video a like and let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. And finally, thanks for watching.